Hi, today we're going to talk about the Affix mag. The Affix mag is an actor-focused affix. Mag is used in action words where actor will do something, the actor will use or wear something, will take up an occupation, or when the actor will perform a reciprocal action. Mag is also used in describing time or occasion, or in other applicable words for to become or to do. Let's have this first set of examples for words where actor does something. Linis. Linis means cleaning. Maglinis. Maglinis is to clean. Maglinis ka ng kwarto mo. Maglinis ka ng kwarto mo. Clean your room. Or maglinis ka. You clean or clean. Take note that the words with affix mag are actor or subject focused. Thus, these words are usually partnered with subject focused pronouns. Like in the given sample sentence, ka was used instead of mo. Maglinis is focusing on the subject which is ka or you. Maglinis ka, clean, or you clean. Next example, isip or mind. Mag-isip, to think. Mag-isip tayo ng pwede nating gawin. Mag-isip tayo ng pwede nating gawin. Let us think of what we can do. Mag-isip tayo. Mag-isip tayo. Let us think. Again, tayo or us or we is the subject. Mag-isip tayo. Let us think. Bigay. Bigay is giving or something that's given. Magbigay is to give. Magbigay ka sa mga nangangailangan. Magbigay ka sa mga nangangailangan. Give to those who are in need. Magbigay ka. Magbigay ka. You give or give. Laro. Laro means game. Maglaro. To play. Gusto mo bang maglaro ng volleyball? Gusto mo bang maglaro ng volleyball? Do you want to play volleyball? Gusto mo bang maglaro? Gusto mo bang maglaro? Do you want to play? Ba is a question marker. You might have noticed that mo was used here instead of ka. However, mo was pertaining to the word gusto or want, and not to maglaro. Gusto mo? You want? Gusto mo ba? Do you want? Here's another sentence for the same word. Maglaro ka mamaya. Maglaro ka mamaya. Play later. Maglaro ka. Maglaro ka. You play. Tanong. Tanong is question. Magtanong. Magtanong is to ask a question. Ang hilig mong magtanong. Ang hilig mong magtanong. You're very fond of asking questions. Mong is mo na. Again, mo was used instead of ka. But take note that mo is pertaining to the word hilig or fond. Another example sentence for the same word. Magtanong ka sa tamang tao. Ask the right person. Magtanong ka is you ask. Lakad. Lakad means walk. Maglakad, to walk. Maglakad ka kung lalabas ka. Maglakad ka kung lalabas ka. Walk if you'll go out. Maglakad ka, you walk, or walk. Here's the next set of examples for the affix mag. Mag as to use or to wear something. Jacket. Jacket in Filipino is also jacket, but with a different spelling. Magjacket. Magjacket is to wear a jacket. Magjacket ka kasi malamig. Wear a jacket because it's cold. Or just say, magjacket ka. Wear a jacket. Again, the word shorts is the same in Filipino. Mag-shorts. Mag-shorts is to wear shorts. Mag-shorts ka. Wear shorts. Jeep. Jeep is a passenger vehicle here in the Philippines. Mag-jeep is to ride a jeepney. Mag-jeep na lang tayo para tipid. Mag-jeep na lang tayo para tipid. Let's just ride a jeepney so we can save money. Sigarilyo. Sigarilyo is cigarette. Magsigarilyo, to smoke. Huwag kang magsigarilyo sa loob. Huwag kang magsigarilyo sa loob. Don't smoke inside. Or, huwag kang magsigarilyo. Don't smoke. Alak. Alak is liquor. If we can say, huwag kang magsigarilyo for don't smoke, can we say, huwag kang mag-alak for don't drink liquor? No, alak is a drink. It's not used nor worn. Instead, we say, huwag kang uminom ng alak. Uminom is to drink. Huwag kang uminom ng alak. Don't drink liquor. Ingles. Ingles is English. Mag-Ingles is to speak in English. Pwede bang mag-Ingles ka? Pwede bang mag-Ingles ka? Can you please speak in English? Tagalog or Filipino. Mag-Tagalog is to speak in Tagalog. Mag-Tagalog ka kapag kausap mo siya. Mag-Tagalog ka kapag kausap mo siya. Speak in Tagalog when you're speaking to him or her. Or, mag-Tagalog ka. Mag-Tagalog ka. Speak in Tagalog. Here's a third set of examples for the affix mag. Artista, actor or actress. Mag-artista is to become an actor or actress. Kung gusto mo, mag-artista ka na lang. Kung gusto mo, mag-artista ka na lang. If you want, just be an actor or actress. Mag-artista ka na lang. Just be an actor or actress. Piloto for pilot. Magpiloto, to be a pilot. Gusto kong magpiloto pero wala akong sapat na pera. Gusto kong magpiloto pero wala akong sapat na pera. I want to be a pilot but I don't have enough money. Gusto kong magpiloto. I want to be a pilot. Take note that mag is only used for certain professions. Maging is a more common way to describe taking up an occupation. Mag-artista or maging artista, to become an actor or actress. Magpiloto or maging piloto, to become a pilot. Maging nurse or to become a nurse. Maging inhenyero or to become an engineer. Here's the fourth set of examples for the affix mag. Away. Away means argument. Mag-away. Mag-away is to fight with each other. Huwag kayong mag-away. Huwag kayong mag-away. Don't fight with each other. Usap. Usap is talk. Mag-usap is to talk to each other. Pwede ba tayong mag-usap? Pwede ba tayong mag-usap? Can we talk? Kita. Kita is see. Magkita is to see each other. Magkita tayo minsan. Magkita tayo minsan. Let's see each other sometime. Here's the fifth set of examples. Pasko. Pasko means Christmas. Magpasko means to be Christmas. Magpasko tayo sa Baguio. Magpasko tayo sa Baguio. Let's celebrate Christmas in Baguio. Ang tagal pa bago magpasko. Ang tagal pa bago magpasko. There's still a long way to go before Christmas. Pizza. Magpizza is to eat pizza. Gusto kong magpizza. Gusto kong magpizza. I want to eat pizza. Gusto kong mag-ice cream. Gusto kong mag-ice cream. I want to eat ice cream. Mag-McDo. To eat at McDonald's or to eat McDo meals. Mag-McDo na lang tayo. Mag-McDo na lang tayo. Let's just have McDonald's. Mag-Jollibee. To eat at Jollibee or to eat Jollibee meals. Gusto mo bang mag-Jollibee? Gusto mo bang mag-Jollibee? Do you want to eat at Jollibee? Alas 5. 5 o'clock. Mag-alas 5 is to be 5 o'clock. Hintayin mong mag-alas 5 bago ka umalis. Hintayin mong mag-alas 5 bago ka umalis. Wait for 5 o'clock before you leave. That's all for today, and I hope you learned a lot. For the part 2 lesson, we're going to discuss the completed, uncompleted, and unstarted forms for the affix mag. Thank you!